Hey guys, so this is our first lesson and we are talking about atomic structure. So even though we're learning about electricity, but why does electricity exist? It actually has everything to do with the atom and what the atom is made out of and what is the structure, okay? So hopefully you've got it down the notes because everything is very self-explanatory. So basically you just really need to remember it, but I'll still make a short video and just quickly talk about the key things over here, okay? So if we have anything why do we have electricity? So that's why do we have this positive charge and negative charge? That is because inside an atom, say if I just make an atom up, let's say helium, right? Okay, so helium atom, if you go to the periodic table, it will have a number 2 and a number 4. Okay, and the 2 is called the atomic number. And the atomic number tells you the number of protons. Okay, and proton is positive. So this means an atom, a helium atom, will have 2 positive protons. Okay, and then this top number is called the mass number. It tells you it's the proton plus the neutrons together. The reason why is because proton and neutron are heavy. So proton and neutron, we say, has mass. So the mass number is 4. It means proton and neutron is 4. So we can see, well, now we know proton is 2. And then mass is 4. That shows you the neutron. You got 2 neutron. Okay? And then neutron is neutral. So there's no charge. That's 0 charge. Okay? Even though it's heavy, but it does not have any charge. Okay, I spelled it wrong. Neutron, T-R-I. Okay, cool. And then we have, look, well, what about electron? So if it's an atom is always neutral. So neutral does not mean it doesn't have any charge. It just means the overall charge is neutral, okay? So if we look, there are 2 positive protons, then how many electrons does it must have? It must have 2 electrons, and these electrons are negative. Okay, 2 positive proton and 2 negative electron. Overall, it's still neutral. Okay, so if I look at my body, right? So I got a ton of positive charge, negative charge electrons and protons in there. But overall, I'm neutral. And that's because the positive proton are equal to the number of negative electrons, so they can cancel out each other. Okay, but if for some reason they don't equal to each other anymore, okay? So let's say this: if you have too many electrons, and proton, then the object will start to have a negative charge, right? Okay, if you have too many proton, then electron, I have too many positive, too many proton, and then more than overcome the negative electron, then I will become a positively charged object. So this is how something can become charged. It's because either they have more proton than electron or have more electron than proton, but overall, an atom is always neutral, okay? So that's why all the things we see mostly as neutral. But there are situations where they don't become neutral, and that's what we're gonna cover in the next lesson when we talk about static electricity, okay? Through friction, and something can lose or gain electron. And once it lose or gain electron, and then they will start to have a charge, okay? All right, so yeah, so that's it for this lesson today, okay? Very easy, straightforward.